We have a variety of industrial storage solutions available to buy online at StoreMoreStore, including modular drawer cabinets, shelving with drawers, all types of industrial shelving, sliding wire shelving, heavy-duty carts, mobile bin shelves, bulk racks, roll-down security doors, pull-out pegboard sliders, folding security gates, trolley carts, 24-foot industrial fans and turbines, wire spool racks, all types of bulk storage lockers, including cage lockers, clear door lockers, and ventilated lockers, workbenches, and computer cabinets. In addition to our industrial products, check out our other markets, including office products, police storage products, healthcare storage, athletic storage, and automotive storage solutions. StoreMoreStore has an A+ rating in their Better Business Bureau. For more information on our line of industrial products, visit us at StoreMoreStore.com or call us at 855-786-7667. We accept all major credit cards and purchase orders.